So if we think about that, we have two routers that are going to set up a VPN. And before the VPN can be set up, the routers are going to have to do a handshake back and forth on the parameters of this secure connection. The parameters of the handshake is going to determine what algorithms are going to be used, what key size, what actual protocols are going to be used, and what mode. So all of this data has to take place through this handshake before the VPN is set up. But do we really want the handshake information for our VPN in clear text? Do you think that we want people, hackers to be able to sniff in and know what algorithms we're going to use, what key size we're going to use, all of that? We don't. We actually want that handshake to be protected and encrypted.